Starting over after a divorce can be daunting, but it also presents exciting opportunities for growth and adventure. Take time to adjust to your new life, focusing on self-care and emotional resilience. Embrace being single as a chance to prioritize your own happiness and pursue long-awaited goals. Engage in creative activities, join classes, and explore your community. Keep active and social by saying yes to invitations, but make sure to trust your instincts about safety. Cultivate meaningful connections with friends and family to help combat loneliness. Host dinner parties, celebrate your new chapter, and embark on solo adventures to discover more about yourself. Be patient and kind to yourself, and embrace this stage of life with optimism and openness to new experiences.